Want to make money journaling work for you and take your financial planning to the next level? Let's dive in. Most people have heard of money journals, but what if I told you there's an app for that? And not just any app, one that allows you to reflect, plan, and track your finances in a way that actually helps you improve your financial life over time. Stick with me, because I'm going to show you how to get the most out of these apps, and trust me, you don't want to miss what I'm about to share. So why even bother with a money journaling app? You've probably seen a dozen apps on the market promising to help you manage your money, but this is different. When you use an app specifically designed for journaling, it turns your financial habits into a tool for reflection. It doesn't just track your spending, it makes you think about why you spend, how you save, and where you're going wrong. Here's something that most financial tools won't tell you. The real value comes from looking back at your patterns. Money journaling isn't just about numbers, it's about noticing trends in your behavior. The power is in the why. Once you get that insight, you can begin making smarter decisions. You're using the app to reflect on your choices and planning for your future, not just managing your present. Another thing that makes these apps so powerful, they give you a space to track goals. I've worked with clients who've gone from barely saving to planning their financial future with confidence, and the one thing they all have in common, they started with journaling. These apps let you set milestones, track progress, and adjust strategies as needed. You're literally setting yourself up for financial success by reflecting and adjusting in real time. But here's where it gets interesting. The apps also give you insights based on your journaling. Think about it. How many times have you tried to make changes to your finances, only to forget what worked last time? Money journaling apps store that info for you. They analyze your habits and suggest ways to improve, helping you avoid past mistakes without the guesswork. What most people don't realize is that the most important thing you're doing is planning. Sure, you can track your spending all day long, but if you don't have a solid plan, you're just reacting to your financial situation, not proactively controlling it. Money journaling apps encourage forward thinking. They help you create actionable plans and track them over time, holding you accountable. This is where most budgeting tools fall short. They give you a snapshot of your finances, but they don't help you envision where you want to go. And here's a pro tip. You're not going to get this kind of value from every money app out there. Some of them are just about quick fixes or tracking without offering the deeper reflection you need. What sets good money journaling apps apart is their ability to be personal. They're not just about numbers, they're about your unique financial journey. If you've been using basic budget apps or spreadsheets and feeling like something's missing, this is the missing piece. This is where the magic happens. You're not just checking boxes on a list, you're using the app as a personal financial coach, one that's focused on your growth, not trying to upsell you services or products. By now, you might be wondering, how do I get started? The good news is, it's not hard. The first step is simply to commit to the process. Pick an app that works for your lifestyle and start tracking your expenses and income. Start reflecting on your decisions, then set some realistic financial goals. Over time, as you look back, you'll see the patterns emerge, and more importantly, you'll have the tools to change them. I've seen people completely transform their financial outlook by committing to money journaling apps. And the best part? This isn't about affiliate commissions or products I'm trying to sell you. I'm here to help you get real value from this process, without any hidden incentives. If you found this video useful and want to see more content like this, the kind that gives you actual value without the hidden agendas, make sure to subscribe. I'm all about supporting content that empowers you to take control of your financial future, and if that's something you want more of, hit that subscribe button.